It could be the medication she's on, it can be hormonal changes, it can be the genetic form of hair loss, it can be stress, it can be poor diet. A lot of women and men will experience hair loss. Men typically will experience it around their early 20s, 25 on the average, and women, we notice, will begin to lose hair typically around the 40s and 50 age group. And the reason why is men typically, their hair loss is pretty straightforward. It's typically DHT, or what's known as dihydrotestosterone, and we have an acronym called DHT. And that's where 5-alpha reductase and testosterone combine, and that's a genetic form of hair loss. And typically with that situation, men typically at 25 have the highest rate of testosterone, or level, of testosterone in their bodies. And if they have the predisposition for genetic hair loss, then they will begin to lose their hair. With women, hair loss is not as straightforward. It can be a little complex. For instance, I notice even on one client may have 4 or 5 different things going on with her. It could be the medication she's on, it can be hormonal changes, it can be the genetic form of hair loss, it can be stress, it can be poor diet. So it goes on and on. So I typically will, when I do a consultation, will take a look at all of those factors to see how we can narrow down the hair loss, and then even to see where a good starting point might be.